Title: ɡrit, the first step to connection. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡrit. To greet is a verb that means to welcome or acknowledge someone with friendly or polite words or gestures. It signifies the initial step in building connections and fostering positive interactions. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡrit is simple ɡrit, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, it's customary to greet someone with a smile and a hello when you meet them for the first time. Importance: greeting others is a universal practice that paves the way for effective communication, respect, and the establishment of relationships. Conclusion: in summary, ɡrit is a word that represents the essential act of welcoming and acknowledging others, initiating meaningful connections. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the power of a warm ɡrit in your daily interactions.